What's good, YouTube? It's your boy SS back again with another video. In today's video, we're gonna be doing POV drive with a scat pack and a Dodge Charger, VZ Charger behind us, well behind me. And yes, sir. Let me tell y'all, bro. That motherfucker girl sounds so good. So loud, y'all. Like, it's crazy. But how y'all doing today? You know what I'm saying? You know, just some young kids living their dream. You know, the car that they want, the car they work hard for, they grind for, put in all them extra hours. You know, whatever it took, you did to get the car. You know, it just feels great to be able to do things that you dreamed of doing as you was a younger version of yourself. You know, it feels so good to be able to do things that you dreamed of as a child. You know, that's why I try to tell everybody, man, you can do anything you put your mind to. You just gotta want to do it. You just gotta want to do it. If you don't want to do it, then of course you pretty much not gonna motivate yourself to do it. You know, if you're telling yourself, hey, I can't do it, you can do anything you put your mind to. Stay motivated, you know, stay on your grind. You know what I'm saying? Stay on your grind. Pick y'all back up when we doing some pulls or something. Check out this BMW. Check out the BMW, chat. I'm trying to show y'all that BMW, bro. He playing. Can y'all see him in the mirror? See that BMW? It look good, though. I like the lights. Like, it look good. It look good, though. It look good. Shit. So hard, chat. God drive, like, see, that's why I hate being my own cameraman, you know, because it's like you're trying to focus and make sure you get a good shot. You know, see where we're at the light. We on the way to the mall. The mall is like literally probably about 2 minutes away from here. I'm gonna see if I can get y'all a good sound clip of that scat pack in front of me. Life with G. Damn. Oh, no traffic. Damn. Just went deaf. Oh! Couldn't see the curves. I couldn't goddamn see the curve. Sheesh. But that goddamn scat pack so loud. Y'all have to hit this thing in person. Holy crap. Holy crap. That thing's so loud, bro. That thing's so loud. Take it. Bush and that bitch. See, we just arrived to tomorrow. That's her. See. They got me a cinema, bro. Show y'all guys what that shit like. Get the hell up out tomorrow. Check out this kill sticker. Shit's like that. That been hard. That been hard. I knew. I gotta see the cars. Dang. All this late smooth. I forgot to say some shit, chat. Y'all see this shit? Yeah.
He didn't pay for it, y'all. He stole it.
Hey, that's not nice.
He stole it. He didn't pay for it. He stole it.
She got a track hop. That's a motherfucking track hop. Shout out to chat. So y'all see we back. It is nighttime. We're gonna get on to this on ramp. That scat pack is CATLESS. We all CATLESS. Woo! Hey, chat. That car's so loud. But chat, y'all see where we at? Y'all see that tunnel? had to drop the damn cat. Damn. That power knocked me down, cuz. That power knocked me down. Whoa there, baby. What the fuck? Pick y'all guys back up. How's it look? Let's see, chat. Got these things up. Y'all see? We got these motherfuckers. SF motherfucker. Dodge Charger motherfucker. Scat Pack motherfucker. 392 motherfucker. Make sure I go follow Life with G, the homie, the bro. You know what I'm saying? On Instagram. You know what I'm saying? Yo. This shit loud. You got a motorcycle over there. You talking about that? Yo. Yo. That thing to pop, chat. Sound good though. That's a CATLESS scat. I almost said a CATLESS CAMARO. But yeah, y'all stay tuned. Okay. Tight that. Tight shit. That's a 6-speed scat. Oh guys, we got Life with G, we got Cam, we got my body, scat, shaker, Dodge Charger. But it's gonna be the end of the video. Hope y'all guys like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications. Peace.